What if tomorrow morning the world as we know it suddenly changed? Roads destroyed, cities abandoned, fuel scarce, communication networks down. In a world like that, an ordinary vehicle wouldn't last a day. You'd need something stronger, bigger, tougher. You'd need an apocalypse truck. Today, we're counting down the top 10 apocalypse trucks built for the end of the world. From extreme off-road monsters to futuristic megatrucks capable of conquering almost any terrain, these vehicles represent the ultimate survival machines. Make sure you stay until the end because the number one truck on this list looks like something straight out of a billion-dollar science fiction movie. Let's begin. Number 10. Toyota Tacoma Apocalypse Edition. The Toyota Tacoma has built a reputation for reliability all over the world, and that's exactly why it earns a spot on this list. Imagine a heavily modified Tacoma equipped with reinforced armor panels, oversized off-road tires, roof-mounted storage systems, extra fuel tanks, and advanced recovery equipment. When highways disappear and narrow mountain trails become the only routes left, the Tacoma's compact size becomes a major advantage. While larger trucks may struggle to maneuver through tight spaces, this survival-focused Tacoma keeps moving forward. And that's just the beginning. Number 9. GMC Hummer EV Omega. Electric vehicles aren't usually the first thing people think of when discussing survival, but the Hummer EV changes everything. With massive electric torque, incredible ground clearance, and advanced off-road technology, this machine can tackle terrain that would stop many traditional trucks. Its unique crab walk feature allows the vehicle to move diagonally, helping it escape obstacles in ways few vehicles can. The futuristic design already looks like it belongs in a post-apocalyptic world. But things get much bigger from here. Number 8. Ford F-150 Raptor R Survival Build. The Raptor R was designed to dominate deserts at high speed. Now imagine transforming it into a full-scale survival vehicle. A reinforced body, upgraded suspension, long-range fuel systems, emergency gear storage, and powerful off-road capability create a truck that can cover enormous distances quickly. In a survival situation, mobility is everything, and few trucks move across difficult terrain as confidently as the Raptor R. But our next vehicle adds something even more important: raw strength. Number 7. Ram 2500 Power Wagon Extreme. The Power Wagon has long been respected as one of the toughest off-road trucks available. Built with locking differentials, heavy-duty components, recovery systems, and exceptional durability, it's designed for situations where other vehicles simply give up. This isn't a truck that avoids challenges, it's a truck that drives straight through them. Yet even this legendary machine looks small compared to what comes next. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado ZR2 Bison. The Silverado ZR2 Bison was engineered for serious adventures. Its aggressive off-road upgrades allow it to tackle rough environments while maintaining the comfort needed for long journeys. Imagine crossing rocky terrain, muddy trails, and abandoned roads without hesitation. That's where the Bison shines. It combines toughness with practicality, making it one of the most balanced survival trucks on this countdown. Now we're entering the truly extreme category. Number 5. 2028 Toyota Land Cruiser 6x6 Concept. 6 wheels, 6 driven contact points, and a level of capability that borders on unbelievable. This futuristic Land Cruiser concept transforms one of the world's most respected off-road vehicles into an expedition monster. The extra axle dramatically improves traction, stability, and cargo-carrying ability. Whether crossing deserts, mountains, or disaster zones, this 6x6 beast is built to keep moving. But if 6 wheels sound impressive, wait until you see what's next. Number 4. Ford Super Duty 8x8 Apocalypse Truck. This machine looks like it was built after the apocalypse already happened. Massive off-road tires, military-inspired bodywork, heavy-duty armor, gigantic fuel reserves, and 8-wheel drive capability. The result is a truck capable of carrying enormous supplies while conquering terrain that would stop ordinary vehicles immediately. It's part fortress, part expedition vehicle, and part monster truck. But we're still not at the top 3. Number 3. GMC Kodiak 10x10 Mega Truck. At this point, we're no longer talking about trucks, we're talking about mobile command centers. The GMC Kodiak 10x10 is enormous. Its massive footprint allows it to transport huge amounts of equipment, fuel, food, and survival supplies. Imagine living off-grid for weeks while carrying everything you need with you. That's the advantage of a vehicle like this. The Kodiak doesn't just survive harsh environments, it dominates them. And somehow our next truck is even more extreme. Number 2. Caterpillar Titan X 12x12 concept. This is where reality begins to feel like science fiction. 12 driven wheels, extreme ground clearance, massive power, heavy-duty armor, and enough capability to cross terrain that barely qualifies as a road. The Titan X 12x12 is designed around one purpose, going where almost nothing else can. Its sheer size and presence make it one of the most intimidating survival vehicles imaginable. But despite all of that, it still isn't number 1. Because our final vehicle combines survival capability with something completely unexpected: luxury. Number 1. Cadillac Escalade Apocalypse Fortress 10x10. If the end of the world arrived tomorrow, this might be the ultimate vehicle to own. Imagine a fully armored Cadillac Escalade transformed into a gigantic 10x10 fortress on wheels. The exterior projects power and authority. The interior feels more like a private executive lounge than a survival vehicle. Advanced communication systems, satellite connectivity, long-range navigation, massive cargo capacity, luxury seating, and the capability to travel through some of the harshest environments on Earth. This isn't just transportation, it's a moving headquarters, a rolling fortress, and perhaps the ultimate apocalypse truck ever imagined. So now the question is yours. If civilization collapsed tomorrow and you could choose only one truck from this list, which would it be? The futuristic Toyota Land Cruiser 6x6? The unstoppable Ford Super Duty 8x8? The gigantic Caterpillar Titan 12x12? Or the luxurious Cadillac Escalade Fortress 10x10? Tell us your choice in the comments below. And if you enjoy extreme trucks, luxury SUVs, futuristic concepts, and the wildest vehicles ever imagined, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.